President, respected headmasters, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff members. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, let me take the opportunity to wish all of you a very prosperous, blissful, ecstatic, full of pleasure Republic Day. Republic Day is the day when we, the Indians, adopted and gave ourselves to the constitution made by our own people, Constitution Committee. Republic Day is the day when we have become a republic people, republic nation, that is democratic nation. The definition of democracy given by one of the great leaders of the world, that is Abraham Lincoln, the President of America, is the government of people, by people, for people. That means that the power of choosing government will be in the hand of the common people. And if common people want, they will be able to dissolve any government. Governments are not powerful. It is the common people who are powerful in any democratic country. So we are that nation where the power to choose the government has been given in the hands of common people. Today was the day when the Constitution of India was implemented. Do you know how many years did it take to complete the Constitution? Can any of you answer me? 2 years, 11 months and nearly 18 days. Such a long time was taken to complete our Constitution because this was not a child's play. Great thought, great contemplation were done in order to make the Constitution thoroughly great. Different values were taken from different countries. For example, the value of rule of law was taken from England. The value of presidential rule was taken from France. Means all the jewels from all the constitution of the world were collected and included in our single constitution. That's why it took such a long time to compile our constitution. Our constitution was consisting of two committees, drafting commission and constitution committee. The work of drafting commission was to make the draft that was headed by Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and the constitution committee was headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad Sharma, who was to become the first president of our great nation. In this way, our constitution was completed much before 26th of Jan 1950, the day when the constitution was implemented. Again, I ask you a question. What was the reason that 26th of Jan was chosen to make it our Republic Day? What is the reason? Why did we want this day to be memorable? Can you answer my question? Why this day was so important even before the independence? Can you answer me? The reason is that in pre-independence era, before we achieved independence, this day was celebrated as Independence Day, self-declared Independence Day. To make it memorable, to make it commemorable, this day was selected as our Republic
And now
Day.
it is time to call
Today,
upon here Mr. Fazil sir
I would
for
like to,
giving speech regarding
each
Republic
letter
Day.
of a particular words are
Regarding
taken
Republic
and
Day.
we guess what each of them may stand for. So today we are going to take the word Republic Day and we try to understand what each letter means. It is a pledge, inshallah. It is a pledge that we must take in order to make our country great. What is the spelling of Republic Day? Republic. First, what is the first letter?
R.
What do you think R stands for?
Respect.
Respect. And
E.
according to me, rebuild. At the time when Republic Day was celebrated first, it was made a vow that inshallah we will try to remake our country into a great nation. If it becomes a great nation, we will not stop there. We will try to make it even greater. If it becomes greater, we will not stop there because success is not a destination but a never-ending journey, everlasting journey. Inshallah, we will try to make our country greater and greater and greater. We will not stop, inshallah. What is the next letter?
E.
Is
Etiquette.
etiquette. Education.
Education.
Is the backbone of society. No society can prosper without education. Even Islam has given greater importance to education, we know. Previously, other religions, they made education reserved to particular societies. But it is only Islam who made education common to all. So inshallah, we'll make education common to all. We shall try to spread this message that educate your children even though you have to remain hungry. Because education is not an expense but investment for future. What is the next letter? P
P.
means power, inshallah. If
Yes, yes.
the power is vested in the hands of common people, only then the democracy can be powerful. The power has been given, but actually the execution is not accurate. Inshallah, we shall try our level best to make the execution of this power in the common man correctly, inshallah, so that our democracy may become stronger and stronger and stronger.
U.
What is the next letter?
U.
U means utilization. Utilization. Natural resources. A nation cannot be great without financial power. And financial power lies in proper use of natural resources like petrol, like water. So inshallah, we will make proper utilization, proper use of all the resources so that our country may become economically strong. What is the next? B means brave. Bounties of nature. You know bounties? Blessings of Allah. Bounties. So until the natural bounties, natural blessings are equally distributed, the nation will always remain poorer. Some people will become richer and richer, but a lot of people will remain poorer. So in order to make a balance, inshallah, we shall try to divide the natural resources equally among all the people. What is the next?
L.
L means
Lion.
loyal.
Lion.
Loyal. You know, in 12th standard there was a poem. In that poem some questions were asked. What makes a nation great? Is it financial power? No. Is it military power? No. Then what is it? Loyalty. So if everybody in our country is loyal to our country, inshallah, our country can become great. We will not be lured by wealth. We will not be proud of our military power. We will be loyal to our country. And until we are loyal to our country cannot become great. So inshallah, we shall give our loyalty to our country to make it great. What is the next letter?
I.
Independence. Identity.
Identity.
Inshallah, we shall establish the identity of our country across the world. America, USA is known throughout the world. Why? Because it is superpower. So in other words, inshallah, we shall try to make our country superpower. Superpower not in terms of economic power, not in terms of military power, in terms of love. Inshallah, we shall love all the countries in the world. Whenever they need our help, inshallah, we shall give them help. Because it is very easy to win the world, but it is very difficult to win the heart. Inshallah, we shall try to win the heart of all the country in all the world. Inshallah, they will love us from the bottom of their heart, and blessings do wonders. Inshallah, our country will keep progressing if we get the blessings of other countries. What is the next letter?
C.
C means
Coordination.
last word, no? Complete.
Complete.
Complete doesn't mean end. It means that we are complete in all respect. Inshallah, we make a pledge. We shall try to make our country complete in all respect. So saying, I'd like to complete my speech.
Day.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Thank you, sir.